Right guys, so today we're going to be looking into the Renogy DuoHeat Mini. This is a 12 volt 100 amp hour lithium battery. Renogy sent us this out as part of a partnership, so today's video we're going to be looking at unboxing this, seeing how it compares to our current 100 amp hour battery from Renogy. So let's get on with it. Right, let's get this unboxed then. So as you can see, it's well packaged, ready to go, straight out of the box. It's packed with some great features, so in comparison to similar batteries on the market, it's up to 45% smaller, making it ideal for self-builds of tight spaces in our vans. However, despite this small size, it's still got the 100 amp hour capacity with over 5,000 cycles. Weighing just 10.5 kilos, it's easy to handle, saving on weight as well, the all-important crucial part of our self-build, saving on that weight. As we mentioned, it's the DuoHeat model, so it comes with these dual heating pads, top and bottom, heating 45% faster than the other conventional designs. So ultimately, it's better performance, more reliable in the extreme colds. Claims on it down to minus 30 degrees Celsius. And all that, like I say, packed into its really small size. It's just over 10 inches by 6.5 inches by just over 8 inches again. So let's compare this to the Renogy 100 amp hour core battery. So the standard core battery weighs 13.5 kilos. So with the new DuoTech Core Mini, we're looking at a weight saving of 3 kilos. It's more compact, over an inch shorter, about the same width, and ever so slightly shorter as well, making it easier to fit in tight spaces, reducing the overall load in your van as well. Now this battery doesn't have Bluetooth in it, you can't connect any Bluetooth to it. However, it does have a JBD BMS in it, and what that means is that using the JBD app we can actually start to look at some of its parameters, looking at its state of charge, seeing what percentage it is for its capacity, looking at the voltage, current, power being drawn from it as well, how many cycles it's done, and also importantly for us being the DuoHeat, we can look at its current temperatures as well. And monitor those in real time using the app, which is quite handy to do, I think. So once we're installing this in our van, as you can see, we've got our full setup already in the van. We're literally swapping this battery over like for like, ultimately for the old one from Renogy as well. So everything fitting wise should be a breeze. So let's get on with that now. We'll change over the wires, get that in. So that's all installed now, as you can see, nice and easy job, literally for us, a couple of wires changing over because we've already got our setup in the van. Just had a quick check, everything's running, fridge is on, it's nice and cold, lights working, everything running as expected.